Hi from Dubai, guys. Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and now we are going to talk about what can we expect to happen with the cryptocurrency market, especially Bitcoin and Ethereum within the next hours and days. So first of all, guys, congrats if you followed my trades here that I called out, and if you took profits, as I've mentioned in the previous videos, at important resistance and support levels, guys. So as you can see here on the, let's go to the 4-hourly time frame. On the 4-hourly time frame, we have, let me show you guys, we have here, up here, the EMA ribbons switched to bearish, okay, to bearish at about $29,500. And I mentioned guys, okay, we are here, the RSI is in an overbought territory, and if the RSI is overbought, what happens? Usually it goes down. So congrats if you took profits and closed your trades, or I mean, as always, guys, no financial advice, but I'm going to show you some good trading ideas here, so always do your own research. But as you can see here on the 4-hourly time frame, the RSI is in the oversold level. But we have this huge spread between the different EMA ribbons. So what can we expect? As you can see here, we have this huge support and resistance zone at about $26,500 or $600. This is a zone, this is not just a level. We can even extend it here, that you can see it goes here, and we have right now, we are trading around the $27,500 range, which acts now as support. The next line down here is about $26,800. This is the next support zone, and then we could go even lower until we reach this level, or down here, this is the next big support zone. It's not just a level, it's a zone. It's about at $25,000. So guys, we could go even lower. We could definitely go even lower. If I show you the daily time frame, you will see that the RSI here is somehow in the middle. So definitely we could go lower until we touch this here. And let me show you also what's going on with Ethereum, guys. On the 4-hourly time frame, as you can see here, also I called it out in my last videos. Congrats, first of all, if you took a breakout trade here, and if you took profits at the important resistance line here at about $2,112. As you can see here, I said it's never wrong to take profits. Once you have it in your pocket, you have it, or in your wallet, okay? And as you can see here, great if you took profits up here. Even the EMA ribbons switched bearish here. We broke through this support line, and then even through this. And as you can see here, we are once again trading. We had a wick here and even a touch in this green support zone. So we could go, as you can see here, the RSI on the 4-hourly time frame is in the oversold level, but we could go even lower, guys, a little bit. And I can imagine that we could trade around this support zone here for some time now, guys. In the case that you also want to trade, guys, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses, guys. So that's what's going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.